Hey, and welcome back to another video. So in this video, we have a Lumia 950 XL, which is the more expensive version of the Lumia 950. This phone was listed as a 950, but I know because of looking at the camera and the front of the phone, I can say it's a 950 XL and not a 950. So the seller mistook it for a 950 and they had underpriced it for that matter. So it was only $44, as you can see here, $44 or $45, really cheap either way. These phones usually go for an excess of $80 to $150 depending on their condition. And this one is in pretty good condition. So $44 is an amazing deal. Now you may have already seen by the title whether this is going to be a repair or just an introduction kind of video. I say that because sometimes, well, I'd say 70% of the time, phones that I buy off eBay that the listing said they were broken actually turn out working. Like a lot of my recent videos, I bought them to do a really good repair video on it, which is entertaining for you guys. I know you guys love to see repair videos. However, in 70% of the cases, it's just the seller has not tested the phone properly, or it has a minor issue that can be easily fixed or ignored. So this may be one of those as well. He says he said that the phone is bad because of a bad ESN, but he also called it bad baud. So I don't know if he's calling it bad baud because of the bad ESN, but I can't be sure. So either way, it was still $44 and it apparently turns on. So I don't really care if it's got a bad ESN. I'm not going to shove a SIM in there and use this phone. These are just for my collection. If it turns on, it connects to Wi-Fi, and the camera works, that's all I care. That's completely all I care about this phone.
As long as it plays music and porn, I'm set, man. Bruh, anything that plays music and porn is fucking NASA to me.
So yeah, we're going to take a look at this phone, see if it needs repairs or just like an introduction thing. Also, I'd just like to point out that the 950 review video I did, was it last year? I think, yeah. Previous year, I forgot. Is one of, if not the top Lumia 950 video on YouTube. If you search it, it comes either second or always on top. So that's the video that kind of gave me confidence that my content is good and help me continue this channel. That video and the 4S video. The 950 video has like in excess of 150,000 views, and for a 5,000 subscriber channel, back then I had only like 1,200 subs or something. So at the time, a channel with only 1,200 subs getting 150,000 views is a big deal. So that video itself gave me a lot of confidence in, and it proved to me that my content is good. So I had the urge to continue making videos. So this phone, I hope that I make I hope that the video I make on this phone, not this one, obviously a full review video on this phone, is going to be as successful as the one I made for this one. Either way, also before jumping right in, don't forget to smash that like button and hit that subscribe button if you like what you see, and we will now jump into this video. So here is the 950 XL. I think it's got a screen protector on there. Does it, or is that the glass? I can't be sure. It looks like a screen protector. Or is it just something under the glass? Either way, don't really care. So outer appearance, dead giveaway that it was a 950 XL in the photo is the front camera placement. 950's over there, 950 XL's over there, 950's over here. Back, the cameras look different. The camera placement is different and it's slightly bigger. Also the buttons on the side, they're different as you see there. So the seller misidentified the phone. So let's turn this thing on and see if it works. Okay, so it does power on. And I'm assuming 100% I'm sure that the bad baud thing is just bad ESN, which I really don't care. I'm still wondering if this is a screen protector or some form of delamination of the screen there. No, it's not a screen protector. I think the screen kind of laminating over there. The glue has come out. The digitizer is separating from the frame. I mean, that's not too bad. I can fix it later. Don't really care. It doesn't affect the phone. It's not over the display. It's just a minor cosmetic issue. So let's wait till this thing turns on. Let's see if it's locked to an account. Let me do this setup and be right back. Okay, so setup's done and stuff, and it's a 950 XL dual SIM version. And everything works fine. It's running Windows 10. There's nothing wrong I can find with this phone. It, as usual, it's getting a bit hot, as is with these two phones. That was one of the main reasons people didn't like them. They overheated a lot. The polycarbonate body for the Snapdragon 810 on this and the Snapdragon 808 on this, the polycarbonate body didn't do a great job at dissipating the heat. So overheating and a terrible battery life were two of the main reasons these two phones failed to sell as much as the company wanted them to. But either way, overheating was expected. And like I said, the differences, there are a couple of differences. This has a 5.7 inch screen. This has a 5.2 inch screen. Qualcomm Snapdragon 810, Qualcomm Snapdragon 808. The Adreno GPUs are different. I can't remember exactly what the GPUs, the differences were, but that'll come up in the full review when I do it. The battery size is bigger on this, obviously, and there's a couple of other things. The camera is also slightly more enhanced on this, even though the spec sheet says they're the same. It's slightly better on this, and slightly, I mean slightly in a very small difference. But camera, speaking of, let's see if the thing works. Okay, back camera does work. Front camera, yep, both cameras do work just fine. How do I, okay, so like that. The store, as you can see, still works after an update, but it's very basic. There's not many major things you can find here. These are the top free apps that you can find. What's left of social media, iTunes is still there, Netflix is still there, WhatsApp desktop is still there, but WhatsApp mobile is still not, it's not there for some reason. I don't know, it's just strange. The store is it's going on its bare minimum because there's no longer full support for this thing. Spotify still works. If you want, you can download these apps. There's Office, there's a bunch of stuff that you can find if you want, so you can still use the store technically. It still works and stuff, but still everything's out of date. Security is not ideal, which I mentioned in the previous video as well, in the 950 review. Putting your passwords and stuff into these, who knows who's lurking there at the background, because it's out of date. So yeah, its security is not ideal. Anyway, that's about it for this video for now. It wasn't a review, it wasn't a repair video, because the thing works as usual. Another case of the phone working even though the seller said it's not, but they kind of misjudged, I guess. And what he meant probably was bad baud, as in bad ESN, because it was very vague in the in the description. Either way, I'll be doing a full review on this, comparing the camera to the iPhone 12 Pro Max, etc, etc. A couple of videos to come on this in the following few weeks. I have a Motorola flip out that I have to go open now as well, so that'll probably go on first, or maybe this, I don't know which I'll upload today. But either way, thanks for watching. Don't forget to smash that like button and check out my channel. And if you like what you see, please consider hitting that subscribe button, thumbs up, and I'll see you guys in my next video.